Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that saves you from spending your hard-earned money on stuff that you don't need. Today, we're diving into the world of mini drones with the RADCLO Mini Drone and the V4 Mini Foldable Drone. Buckle up, because we're about to take off into an informative comparison. First up, let's talk about the price. The RADCLO Mini Drone is priced at $62, making it a budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the V4 Mini Foldable Drone is priced at $89. So if you're looking to save some cash, RADCLO's got your back. The RADCLO Mini Drone boasts a 1080p HD camera with a manually adjustable 90-degree lens, perfect for capturing all those moments. Reviewers appreciate its decent camera quality for the price. Meanwhile, the V4 also features a 1080p HD camera, but with a remotely adjustable 90-degree lens, which many users find convenient and modern. Both cameras offer good image quality, but the V4's remote adjustability gives it an edge. When it comes to flight time, the RADCLO Mini Drone offers 22 minutes of airtime with its two 800 mAh batteries. Reviewers love the extra battery and the fun it provides despite some wind issues. The V4 steps it up with 26 minutes of flight time, which many users appreciate for longer flying sessions. It's also foldable, making it extremely portable. However, some reviewers noted its limited range and issues at higher altitudes. The RADCLO Mini Drone is known for its ease of use, featuring one-key takeoff and landing and stable altitude hold. Reviewers mention it's great for beginners and durable enough for kids. The V4 is also beginner-friendly with one-key takeoff/landing, headless mode, and 3-speed adjustments. Users find it stable and easy to control, but note some issues with durability after crashes. The RADCLO Mini Drone comes packed with features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and 3D flips. Reviewers enjoy its range of tricks and overall fun experience. The V4 also has an impressive set of features including 3D flips, trajectory flight, gravity control, and auto-follow. Users appreciate its advanced functions, but some experienced malfunctions after extended use. Overall, the RADCLO Mini Drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and a decent camera quality, though it struggles in windy conditions. The V4 Mini Foldable Drone, while pricier, is appreciated for its advanced features and portability, despite some concerns about its durability and performance at higher altitudes. So which mini drone should you buy? If you're looking to save some money and still get a solid performance, go for the RADCLO Mini Drone. But if you want a few extra features and don't mind splurging a bit, the V4 is a great option. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and spending smart.